Peter Pedrosa said the screwdriver Smirnoff Ice is the best. They taste like Tang. He also said at Diageo and Plainfield, where they made them, they called them Buzz Aldrin. Today, I have the kid here. He's going to give his review on it as well. Have you had any of the Smirnoff Ices?
No.
I just tried the raspberry and one other one.
It's good.
Does it taste like Tang to you, though? A little bit.
A little bit.
It's actually not bad. I think I prefer this one over the raspberry one I tasted.
You can taste the alcohol in it.
Yeah, this one's probably my favorite so far of the ones I tried, which was raspberry and the red, white, and berry one. Not bad, though. 4.5% ABV. Check those out.
Cheers.